I am a spiritual leader, I am a this leader, I am this leader. Something in possession always will have a fear. And this fear will be continue from the childhood. When the child comes out, the child start having a fear that who's gonna protect me. Child will right away think who's gonna protect me, who's gonna take care of me, to until the death. Because if you possess your body, this body is me, then the body possession is also a fear that I'm gonna die, I don't wanna be die. So more the possessions, the more the fear inside. The more the possession you will have, the more the fear will generate. That's why this mind level, which is made of ego, the source is projecting itself on the mind level, and ego start thinking that this is me. And some people live on a body level, the ego start further projecting that this is I am the body. Same thing, the love projecting itself. Love was purified on the heart level. That's why we say do something from the heart. Why? Because heart is near to the soul level, pure level. This we call unconscious level. Why this say unconscious level? This is a pure level, but why they say unconscious level? Why the outside world? Why the psychiatrist? Why the doctors who say this level is unconscious? Because whatever the sense of possession human being has, the fear arises. The depression, all the emotions comes out, all the negative emotions comes out when something fear arises. Out of fear, all the emotion, negative emotions comes out. And the outside world think that this fear is unconscious, because human body does not know about this fear, that because of this ego the fear arises. They are unconscious about the fear, and they think that unconscious level is on the sleep level, because on sleep people are unconscious. That level may be because of that level. That level is responsible for all these negative emotions. This level is enemy. This level is unconscious. And then they say their patient, you are unconscious. Be conscious about your needs. Be conscious about this. But they don't know that on mind level, because of ego, because of the possessions, this fear arises, not because of the pure level. See I already take you to that level, pure level. But the outside people, outside doctors, outside philosopher, outside psychiatrist, they always condemn the pure level, that this is unconscious level. How can unconscious level be that? Unconscious never did nothing. Everything is going on because of ego. If we know how to go on unconscious level, that so-called unconscious level, everyday basis in a waking state, we will be free from all these miseries. This level is not responsible for the miseries. For the responsible is the mind level. But we want to blame something. The mind, this is the mind nature. Mind nature is, hey God, if you don't, you give something bad to me, you are the responsible. We always make responsible God. Mind is doing all the miseries, ego is doing all the miseries because he want to possess. Ego is want to possess. Because of that possession, emotions arises. The fear is the fundamental factor. Fear is the fundamental factor. The more the desires, more the possession, more the fear, and more the chances to have a negative emotions. When something you lose, because you hold so many things, out of so many things there is a lot of chances you will lose something. Out of that losing something, there is a more chances to get in a depression or another anxiety or some other emotions. We are going to discuss all these emotions little bit, because already lot of psychiatrists already discussed about these emotions. I am just going to discuss about a mechanism, not emotions. If I get time, we will discuss it. But you have to understand the basic nature of the mind. Because if you understand this, then you can listen anybody, any psychiatrist. It will be very helpful. What are the emotion, what is the anger, how it goes, how it performs, how it works. But the missing point was psychiatrist goes from outside and the spiritual teacher goes from inside, and we were on the pure level. If you were with me in few minutes, like you were with me on that level, first 5 or 10 minutes, if you were on the pure level, you would have been experienced something different, that this is the level I am looking for whole my life. I will guarantee you, whoever listening me, who went with me to that level in first 5 or 10 minutes, that experience is a totally different. There was no fear. This was that experience like a freedom. In that level, we can go everyday basis. That level is beyond mind, beyond miseries. Once you start getting that taste, your miseries, your negative emotion, your depression will start dissolving. That's why the spiritual teacher, Jesus, Allah, Krishna, all the gods from all the religions, why the Guru say, give. What is giving means? Why they say giving? Giving means whatever the possession you have, because of that possession, there is a fear. If you give this to the other people, you will have a less possession, less fear, less anxiety. You will go closer to the pure level, so-called unconscious level. Spiritual teachers say that go to the unconscious level, and your psychiatrist saying that unconscious level is the root of all the miseries. The spiritual teacher saying give, share. They are not saying that share because you will get famous, you getting another holding, you getting another possession. No. Selflessly give, donate, share. Some people say share, think from your heart. Why did they say think from heart is the closest to the soul? Some people say be humble, be pity on people. That's why, mystics, devotees, they are very near to the God. Why? The mystic, they are on a level of a pure level, so-called unconscious level. On unconscious level, they have only 4 urges, that is basic urges. They don't have extension of urges. And sometimes those who in a history, those lovers, those great lovers, they love with their partners, they love so much that on a heart level, before the pure level, the heart starts. On that level, they forget about sleep, food, possession, conservation of a body. They forget everything because on a heart level, that pure love level, there is no even urges. Sometimes those who fall in love, they forget about everything. They fall in love with an individual, but that love becomes so divine, they forget about their basic urges too. They forget about their hunger, they forget about sleep, they forget about I am dying or living, they forget about sex, everything they forgot. Whoever fall in love, that level. When you love somebody, what does that means? When you share with somebody, what does that mean? When you do community service, what does that means? That mean is that you are going towards the pure level. You are going towards pure level. You are away from the miseries to the pure level. You are getting away from the miseries. You are getting away from the suffering. Why? Why the scripture says? That's why they say, if we do everyday meditation, what does that meditation means? Meditation means this is a meditation. Meditation, when your experience comes in the when you are meditate, then your experience comes out, then your knowings comes out. Knowledge you're taking from me. But when you take knowledge, you have to make a meditative link with the speaker. Forget about all the ideas, what his speaker is, he looks like, he is small, big, whatever. I see him personally there, he looks funny there, this and that. Forget. When speaker and listener becomes a link, that is a meditative state. And that meditative state, in that meditative state, something, your own experience arise. That experience is gonna be your, and that experience you can go by yourself. Once you know how to go, once you know, I know what is the meditation state means. You have to understand that. We will discuss more about mind in next chapter. God bless you. Hari Om.